Hey, what's up you guys, Finesse the Barber, and today I'll be showing you guys how to remove blemishes off your clients' faces in Photoshop. Now the main tool that I'll be working with today is called the patch tool, which is located right here, and if you don't see it, you can simply click down on this particular icon and just drag down and click it right there. Boom. So what is the patch tool? The patch tool is used to circle a spot and move it over to a clear spot, and what that'll give you is a clean area. And it's just that simple. Over here I have two tabs, the before and after. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get all this done, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like in the before and after. So let's just speed it up a bit. And as you guys watch my tutorials, you'll see that I'm not really into making things sound too scientific or too difficult for you to understand. It's a really simple tool. It's very straightforward, and from watching this tutorial, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, share it if it's helpful for you, and I just want to give you guys the tools to present your work in a cleaner way, you know what I'm saying? Because as a barber, you might do a really dope cut, but your client has really bad skin. It's not really their fault, but you know what I'm saying, it just makes it a lot easier. So I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you guys subscribe to FinessenKutz, you know what I mean? So as you guys can see here, after using the patch tool, the skin is a lot cleaner, and it's just more presentable for social media or whatever you want to put your picture on. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the before and after. So this is the before and after using the patch tool. This is after. So it's that simple. Now you guys can use this in whatever way you want to use it. I personally use it just to get the blemishes off my clients' faces and just clean up the skin just to make it more presentable. But that's about it. You know what I'm saying? It's really simple, really easy to do. Go ahead and mess around with the patch tool. You guys can look up here at my settings. It's set to normal, source, diffusion is 5, and this little square right here selected. So once again, it's Finesse the Barber, always trying to finesse these cuts. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you like it. Until next time, finesse the world, baby.